Hey kids, do you love cute animals and coloring? Guess what? Today, we're going to learn how to count with the most adorable animals while having fun coloring them. Have you ever felt bored while learning to count? Or maybe you find it hard to remember the numbers? Well, you're not alone, but don't worry because I have a super fun way to make counting easy and exciting. Let's get started. First, let's meet our animal friends. We have one fluffy bunny, two playful puppies, three colorful parrots, and many more. We'll count them together and color them in beautiful colors. Are you ready? Let's count and color. All right, here's our first friend, one fluffy bunny. Can you say one? Great job. Now, let's color the bunny. Grab your favorite color and let's make this bunny look amazing. Wow, you're doing fantastic. Next, we have two playful puppies. Can you count to two? One, two. Awesome. Let's color them too. Maybe one puppy can be brown and the other can be white. What do you think? Perfect. Now let's meet three colorful parrots. Can you count to three? One, two, three. You're so good at this. Let's make these parrots look bright and cheerful. You can use red, blue, and yellow. Keep going. You're doing great. See, counting can be so much fun when you do it with cute animals and coloring. The more you practice, the better you'll get at counting. Plus, you get to create beautiful artwork at the same time. Isn't that cool? We've counted one bunny, two puppies, and three parrots so far. Let's keep going until we reach 10. You can always pause the video to finish coloring each animal. Remember, learning is a journey and every step counts. So, kids, the next time you want to learn how to count, just grab your coloring pencils and think of your animal friends. Counting will never be boring again. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Bye.